Say hi. That's Jenny, that's Susan, that's Ralph. Drinking coffee with brandy. This is our setup for today or for 3 days. We are at Wakim Resort here in Talisay. And this is the setup of Joseph, our co-senior camper. Oh, I'm sorry. Richard, not Joseph. Joseph was left behind. And that's Ralph's setup. And that's the view of Taal. And that's Vicky and Myrna with Richard. That's Myrna and Richard. Say hi. Hi, making ingay. And that's Vicky.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Myrna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Thank you, everybody.
Wait, I did not get the blow.
I think
Wala akong lighter. Ito,
Ang ganda yung lighter.
kahit ilang blow. Kahit ilang blow pa kunin mo.
Ulit!
Mahaba-haba yung kinuha kong candle para at least ano.
mga sumpungan na.
Yung lower portion na lang. 1, 2, ready?
To you!
Happy birthday!
Day to you!
Diyan.
Parang kasal yung pati yung paghiwa. Sagat na, nakisagat na. Susubuan yan, ha?
Cutting the cake. Have your...
Vicky will give the diabetic medicine afterwards. We are cured of diabetes.
Okay.
Post ko. Kasi bukas, happy birthday ulit ni Myrna, pero iba naman ang cake, oh. Hindi naman pwede sabihin, same, inulit lang eh, di ba? Ibang cake.
Natin yung candle.
Oo nga, no, 3 flavor.
Oh, see?
New ano na.
Ah, ayan.
Colorful. Thank you.
Anong piliin mo dyan?
Kaya lang-
Maria, oo.
Yan, game. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May I have a happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, wait.
Yay. Nag-enjoy ka ba sa birthday mo?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
No, it's not only the birthday, but it's the company that matters.
Yeah.
What's your wish for your birthday? Well, long, continue to be healthy. And as long as my children are birthday.
Yes naman. True naman to.
Hi Myrna, I just want to say happy birthday. Nagpapasabi din si Tessa na to tell you na happy birthday din, and you have been a joy to not only to me but to many people. Kung hindi because of your efforts, I wouldn't know what to do on my weekend. So thank you very much, but also happy birthday and many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Ate Myrna. Kahit first meeting pa lang natin, na at home na ako agad sa'yo. Masaya kang kasama at walang kaarte-arte. Sana huwag ka magbabago. Ganyan ka palagi. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, me.
Hi Myrna, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Myrna.
We wish you all the best. We're so happy that nakilala namin kayo ni Ralph at nakasama sa aming mga camping adventures. So, more camping to us. Stay healthy para marami tayong gala.
More
Happy
blessings.
birthday!
More
Happy
blessings,
birthday!
Myrna.